So our next lesson is about Ajax. And I will do this Ajax here for now. I will comment out my console log app state, also this. So I have a pretty clean method for the on-click event of the button. And now I will do some boilerplating for fetching against. So I need my Pokémon API, Poke API, zack. And let's see, we need this, we need the API call here to see what we get. It's pretty slow, the Poke API is not very fast today. Come on, Poke API. We need you today. There it is. So I want to go for type. And then I will copy paste this and type 3. You know, what I will do is I will do a declare variable const and call it API. Or API URL, and it's a string, sorry. So let's make it a string. But I think that there's something missing. Correct, the type is here. And I go here for the type. I've forgotten something, sorry. So, and now what we can do is we can call the method fetch on API URL, sorry, and this is an asynchronous call, so we need to chain then, and here we have a result, and we want to return this result as JSON, return result .json. Maybe it's okay to interrupt here and let's see what the console logs about the result at this point. You know, so what we did is in this button on click method, we had this our API call, here's our URL, and we are fetching asynchronous against this URL, and we want simply to log the results. Okay? So I will go back to my localhost, and yeah, let's see. An error, failed to load HTTP. Okay. I think we have to go for HTTPS to solve the error. Yeah, there it is. You have to go to HTTPS to solve this error, otherwise we have this CORS problem. But if you go with HTTPS, you are pretty much safe here. And as we see, I fetched where the URL. It takes some time. You know, let's see the time that it's taking. You know, this is clean. Now I press the button, and as you can see, we are waiting, still waiting. You know, the API is not the fastest in the world. Let's check for network. Oh, and there it is. It took quite some time to come. So there's our response. And here in our response, yeah, we have this body. And I think we should JSONify it and then do something with the data, okay? So what I'm doing is I return the result to JSON, and this result here, from this result I will then chain, I will grab data out of it, and yeah, let's see what the data is, okay? Like again, we are doing a console log on data, and yeah, let's see in the next section.